Why'd my bike quit? She doesn't like it. Look at all those bacon straps on the roof. It was pretty seriously developed, I gotta say. This is like 80s, they did it with trucks. This is like Jesus. I wish I had some more light, because this is not much light for doing this. No, I don't wear any sunglasses. This is not much light for doing this. Oh, this is a dead end. Complete dead end. Oh fuck, this is when my light goes out. My light, I only got a few seconds and the freaking light goes out. There you go. I'm in the dark. I start the bike up and the light will go on again. Come on, baby. Oh, now you want to be finicky. I'm flooding it. Oh no. Put it in neutral. Well, have something. A little action. Get on this bitch. A little uphill there. Should I try this way? Well, that'd be not good. Whoa! Well, enough of that fun. Park this thing. Oh. I just rode my dirt bike into mine to a dead end. Oh, that was something.
Right.
So, you can hold that just for a second. Just follow me. Well, we flew the drone into the mine, and he's in there. I hope you guys can see that. So, I'm gonna give him some light and go in after him. But I kind of need two hands. Chris, can you record? I almost need a helmet with a light on it. Oh, you won't even go.
There is cables hanging from the ceiling. Fucking.
Do you see anything?
Do I see anything?
Yeah, on the inside. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm totally looking at it.
Whoa, hey, we're losing it. Whoa, catch it. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Drifted.
I don't know what it was doing for that.
Let's get it out of here. This is what down.
Boy, it does weird things with this little active pack.
Pulling back on the portal, we can see the whole site here and the large waste rock pile. They were mining a white quartz vein that will appear on the right hand side a bit here. It obviously didn't have any mineralization in the part on the right, but to the left it must have been full of minerals for them to take it. And this is a very large waste rock pile. Just beyond the building there is a bit of an open pit, and the vein they took the whole vein there, but all the material above the vein must have been quite crumbly because they just pushed it over the edge here. And now you can see the little roads where we rode on up. You find your way along there and you wind around the mountain, off down the valley there, and you cut on back and you're quite a bit higher. And we're in northern Nevada where it's quite a bit cooler. Lots of cattle ranging around here. And that upper cut is where we came around on the bikes. And as we rode across the top of this pile, we could see large holes to our left into the mountain where they chased that vein deep in. You can see a bit of some other vein above it there, but again, that didn't have any minerals they were after in it, or it wouldn't be sitting there. It must have just been one big fat hot spot on that vein, and they took as much of it as they could. See the vein nice and fat on the lower right hand corner there?
Okay. instantly cold when you walk in here. But it's also big that my lights aren't doing enough. Got two of them. Oh, I've left all my flash. I gotta get more light. Gotta get more light. So you come in the portal, and it goes every which way. That looks like it's backfilled, collapsed, sealed. That's the main way. This, I don't know about. Oh, I know it. This dude. They must have needed something here because I already went that way. Alright, we got the drone into there and then it wasn't happy. We got the motorbike down there and it was a dead end. It's all quite large. This looks like it goes somewhere. This is like ginormously large. And this looks like a weird ore pass. There's copper. Something super blue. Wow. I wonder if that was a load they wanted. Because they came in here and did this. What's on the other side of this big pile? This is about a 45-degree hike here. Slimy, kind of greasy rocks. Weird. And what do we get to? Well, this fell off of there is what happened. That's what all this is. This fell from that. They weren't after this at all. It dropped. Oh, there's my water bottle. I'll go get it. They were going that way and that way. And I'm standing on a collapse. Wow. Down into it this way. Wow, it's just big in every direction. I see some blue in the wall over there. But all this came down. They weren't after any of this. And there's outside. One day they came straight in here at first. Then they must have wanted this bit. A few things crumbling around here. Might be a loose rock or two. Big crack in that one. Oof, that one's hanging. Trying to find the vein they were chasing. It's got to be in this pillar. Was it all this stuff here? And that big black band in it right at the top? Bet you it was. Okay, that was it right there. Because they're going down at that level. Is it over here? See, when it crosses over, then you see some copper over there. That's the crossover piece right there. Maybe the top of it is there. Yeah. So then when they first went in, they went in along the top of that vein. And is it a structure of veins? It is. Somebody's testing in there. Wow, that's just bizarre looking. Oh, it's like a natural loady thing. But don't see anything shiny in this stuff, but that black layer at the top is really interesting because the rich layer is always it's usually at the one side of the vein. Some glistens in there. I wish I had a ladder to get right up and have a look at that. Maybe there's one outside. There is one. There's a steel one over there. Open pit action. The load must have just been right here. Oh, why'd my bike quit? She doesn't like it. Look at all those bacon straps on the roof. Well, this is pretty seriously developed, I gotta say. This is like 80s, they did it with trucks. This is like... Jesus. I wish I had some more light, because this is not much light for doing this. No, I don't wear any sunglasses. This is not much light for doing this. Oh, this is a dead end. Complete dead end. Oh fuck, this is when my light goes out. My light, I only got a few seconds and the freaking light goes out. There you go. I'm in the dark.